Today I'm going to quickly show you how I make sweet potato fries in my air fryer. I use the Alexia brand sweet potato fries and just spread them out in a single layer in my air fryer basket. For my air fryer, I set it to 400 degrees for 15 minutes. The range is really 12 to 15, and I'm just going to show you how they're done with the full 15 minutes. Start that cycle and get it going. And then at the halfway mark, toss the sweet potato fries. Now, if you have a deeper basket style air fryer, you toss it a little differently, but you do want to kind of move them around. It helps to promote the even cooking that you are looking for from your air fryer. And once these are ready to go, back in the air fryer they go to finish their cycle. And now 15 minutes are done, and you can see these are ready to go. I'll just stir them a little bit, and you can see they have crispy outsides. They're pillowy, deliciously soft on the inside. You can see the tips are just starting to get brown. A few are a little bit on the burn side, so we're as done as we want these to be. They will crisp a little more as they cool, but really, this is the easiest way to make sweet potato fries, and I hope you try it, because if you do, I know you'll love it.